So this is a 2023 Tranquility 19L, as in Larry. Features Mercedes chassis, right? Overall look of it's just clean. I like how it's almost like an off-road, is how I would consider it. But coming in, it's only 19 foot 8 inches on your length. You'll see up front, just look how aggressive it is. You've got your Mercedes diesel. You've got up top, you're gonna have awning that comes out. They do a JBL Bluetooth speaker with a little table out here. I really like that. If you go in a little bit, show them around, make it real easy. So you got a television up front. And they do, I mean, everything's so modern, right? So they do lighter colors on the inside, helps you give that. Stay right there, I'm gonna go to the back so you can sort of see in the back here. So as you come back here, so you got your bed right here. You've got full storage underneath. A lot of windows, decent counter space too. You know, when it's something this small, you've got your bathroom right there. So if you open that up, you've got your bathroom there. And right now, with the way that we're doing pricing on motorhomes, we're actually selling everything below cost. So it's a deal right now. So with the extra discount.
And they could come get it today and take it home.
That's right.
Literally, it's ready to go. They could come get it and take it home.
Yep, that's right. You've got bike. So all the Thule, they do the bike carrier in the back, the awning. You've got your AC up top. So this has been really, really popular because you can just completely get off the grid and you don't feel like you're driving a bus. So that's been extremely popular with these Class Bs.
Yeah, people absolutely love them.